How to check your computer screen time on Windows 11. It's gonna be very easy and simple tutorial. So first, in your desktop, you can go to your search box in bottom of your screen and you can search for settings. This one, you can open it, click on it. And then in the setting, in the left side menu, you will find system. You can click on it. And then in the system, you will find power and battery. You can click on it. And if you scroll down, you will find battery usage. You can open the panel and you will find your information here. So this is my 24 hours screen on, screen time. This is my screen time in 24 hours. And then you can, customize or change it maybe last 7 days. And you will find your daily average. This is my daily average. And yeah, I think that's it. How to check your computer screen time on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.